Hey guys, it's Eric from the Mature Minded Gamers back with another quick Adobe Premiere tips and tricks. This one's a big one though, guys. This might be the biggest find I've ever had. I'm sure many other people already know this, but I did not. I have been editing videos for the last probably year in Adobe now, and I just thought the lag and the stuttering when you do an edit here live in the little timeline, whatever you want to call it, was normal. Then I made a change, and I'm going to show you this change, and I cannot recommend this enough. And I'm gonna say once again, I have not fully tested this beyond myself. If you go to File, you go down to Project Settings, go down to General, you're gonna see a bunch of settings here. You want this to be on the GPU acceleration. That's not the main thing, but I do want to make sure that's clear for everybody. That will make things faster for you more, as long as you have a decent GPU. That's your graphics processing. But the main thing here is click on Scratch Disk. All these on mine were set to same as project, which was my C drive. All default. I didn't change them. Didn't think anything of it. I started running out of C drive space. I had like 22 free gigs, and I was like, well, I'm going to start having an issue. So I came in here. I switched it to another SSD. Now, again, these are both on SSD drives. This is going to be different for everybody. I want to make this clear. This may not work for you. But it was such a big improvement for me, I had to make a video to tell you guys. I switched this over to another drive, a custom. I just made it its own folder on another SSD drive called Adobe Files, and I tagged them all in here. I sent them all there to the other file. Hit OK, started a new project. I edit things so much faster. When I make an edit right here, if I cut a piece out, normally there would be like a 3-4 second delay before after I hit play that it actually starts playing the edit. Now it's instant. Check this out. Then normally I just hit boom, and then I'd hit play.
Two-handed.
Look at that, instant.
Fire staff, life staff. I talked about the bow.
Normally there would be like a long pause and delay. I wish I would have recorded it before I made this change. It would literally sit here for like 3 to 4 seconds before it started playing because it was still finishing the edit or whatever. So holy crap, this is a huge deal if you spend a lot of time editing. If you're having weird issues where it's just taking a few extra seconds after you do an edit, not to mention the whole playback is smoother for me too, by the way, not just when I edit. Everything runs smoother now that I made this change. So highly recommend it. If you have 2 SSD drives, wherever you have the program Adobe installed, move all the stored files like I just showed you to a different SSD. I am thinking it's going to drastically improve everybody's performance if they do it that way. So hopefully this helped you as much as it helped me. Please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, help me keep growing my channel, and most importantly, have yourself a great day.